topic for today is all about the importance of proper soil management. Proper soil management helps keep the soil healthy and fertile, which is important for growing strong and productive crops. It also helps prevent soil erosion and support sustainable farming for future generations. Aside from that, we have 10 important benefits of proper soil management. The first one is enhanced soil fertility. Proper soil management helps maintain and improve the level of essential nutrient in the soil, ensuring that crops receive the nutrient they need to grow optimally. So sabi dito, ang tamang pag-aalaga daw ng lupa ay nagbibigay ng sapat na sustansya sa mga tanim. Number 2 is prevent soil erosion. Managing soil through methods like cover cropping, minimum tillage, and contour farming reduce the risk of soil erosion by wind and water. This preserves the topsoil which is rich in nutrients and organic matter. And ito naman ay pinipigilan ang pagguho ng lupa, nakakatulong ito para hindi matangay ang lupa ng ulan at hangin. The number 3 is improved soil structure. Good soil management maintains soil structure which is crucial for water infiltration, aeration, and root growth. Practice like adding organic matter, reducing compaction, and minimizing tillage help maintain or enhance soil structure. At dito naman pinapaganda ang ayos ng lupa. Mas nagiging madali para sa ugat ng halaman na tumubo at huminga ang lupa. Number 4. Support water management. Proper soil management improves water retention and drainage capabilities. Healthy soils with a good structure can hold more water, making crops more resilient during dry periods and preventing waterlogging during a heavy rain. And ito naman yung tumutulong sa tamang paggamit ng tubig. Ang lupa ay mas kaya mag-imbak ng tubig at iwas baha o tagtuyot. Number 5. Promotes biodiversity. Healthy soil management support a diverse community of soil organisms including bacteria, fungi, earthworms, and insects. These organisms contribute to nutrient cycling, organic matter decomposition, and overall soil health. At ito naman yung sumusuporta sa mga buhay sa lupa, maraming maliliit na hayop at organism ang nabubuhay sa malusog na lupa. Number 6. Increases agricultural productivity. When soil is well managed, it leads to higher crop yields and better quality produce. Practice like crop rotation, cover cropping, and reduced tillage help sustain soil productivity over the long term. At dito naman pinapataas ang ani. Mas marami at mas maganda ang ani kapag maayos ang lupa. Number 7. Reduce dependence on chemical input. Good soil management can decrease the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides by naturally enhancing soil fertility and pest resistance. This leads to more sustainable farming and reduced environmental contamination. And dito naman binabawasan ang paggamit ng maraming chemical, hindi na kailangan ng maraming pataba o pesticides. Number 8. Mitigates climate change. Healthy soil can act as carbon sinks, helping to sequester carbon dioxide and mitigate greenhouse gas emission. Practice like minimum tillage, adding organic matter, and cover cropping contribute to carbon. And dito naman tumutulong laban sa pagbabago ng klima. Ang lupa ay nakakatulong sa pagbawas ng init sa mundo. Number 9. Protects water quality. Properly managed soil reduce runoff and the leaching of chemicals and nutrient into nearby water bodies. This prevent water pollution, support clean water system, and minimize algal blooms caused by nutrient overloading. So dito naman pinapanatiling malinis ang tubig. Pinipigilan nitong madumihan ang mga ilog at iba pang tubig. Number 10. Prevent soil degradation. Soil degradation such as compaction, salination, and loss of organic matter can be prevented with the implementation of effective soil management practices. This ensures the long-term sustainability of agricultural lands. And dito naman pinipigilan ang pagkasira ng lupa at napapanatiling matibay at pakipakinabang ang lupa sa mahabang panahon. And this marks the end of my report. Thank you.